Good morning, fellow Toastmasters, and especially Sandra. Is it Sandra or Sandra? Sandra. I'm going to evaluate you today using one of the methods where I actually read the question and then answer it. It seems that often it doesn't seem like the evaluator owns that evaluation. It seems a little primitive, but especially with an icebreaker, I think it's important. And the icebreaker speech is the foundation for all our other speeches. It's almost worth evaluating or looking back at every speech you do, making sure that you have these things in mind. So here I go. What strong points does the speaker already have? The things I noticed that you already have, Sandra, are a pleasant voice. It's pleasant to listen to. You have confidence, or at least you seem like you do, and you clearly are imaginative. How well did the audience get to know the speaker? I think we got to know you pretty well, which is the point of the icebreaker. We want to know you. The single most important message, the subtext in this case, if you will, of your icebreaker was that you are very spiritual. And without coming out and saying that, it was pretty clear that that's important to you. Did the speech reflect adequate preparation? I think I did. It seems that you wrote the speech out word for word, and that alone takes a good deal of time. Hours and hours in my case. Did the speaker speak audibly and clearly? Yes, you did. I believe I understood every single word. Did you have a definite opening, body, and conclusion? I think so. Your openings and conclusion were a little abbreviated, but I think that's okay. Your opening was the same as your title. What do you want to be when you grow up? And you answered that. And in your body, you took us through a guided tour of your life. And then in your conclusion, you repeated my life. My life. Very effective and a very pretty ending. I'm supposed to speak on your use of notes. You used notes, and that's very fine. It's a wonderful thing to do. It organizes your speech for you, and it gives you a little bit of a crunch isn't precisely the word I mean, but notes are something nice to have. What could you have done differently? Well, two things, and one's a Toastmaster thing and one's a personal thing. The Toastmaster thing is, I think you could have reduced your notes to cards, and on the cards had maybe a sentence that paragraph was going to start with, or an outline for that paragraph. Different things work for different people, but I would try, if you're going to write out the speech, then reduce it, and fit it on a number of cards. The second suggestion for improvement is more personal. I would like to have got to know your sons and husband more. And what did I like? I liked your use of metaphors. They were brilliant. At first I didn't even know that's what you were doing. But then guided tour, and you didn't speak about your guide, and then through the forest with its snakes was the university. I loved it. I can't wait to hear your second speech. Master.